My name is Phil Brandt. I'm the Vice President of Architecture for Benny Keith Company. Benny Keith is a 120-year-old distributor based here in Fort Worth. 3 years ago, Benny Keith was in the beginnings of a large transformation project. We were going to implement a new ERP, so we were starting to select that. We knew that we had to re-engineer integrations with thousands of trading partners, as well as connect to dozens of what we call boundary systems, these systems that we have to connect to that ERP. And so we were definitely in the market for new integration technology. We've been a Cleo customer since 2023. We brought Cleo in and we totally rebuilt everything from the ground up alongside our ERP implementation. And so now we have a well-documented, we think well-architected system where we really have a factory to build integrations now, where it's very, very easy to continue to scale. We get requests to create new integrations all the time. Seems like every other day I'm on the phone, on a call with our business partners, our trading partners, saying, can you integrate with this? And in the past, it was difficult. With Cleo, we're able to meet our customers where they want to be met, conform to their formats, those kinds of things. We're able to get to market much quicker with our integrations. We're able to keep things standardized where we're not doing different things all over the place. Prior to having Cleo Managed Services, we had to watch things very closely, but that wasn't even 24/7. A lot of our processing, a lot of our transactions occur overnight. So we arrived in the morning to angry phone calls and emails from customers or business partners where something broke, something rolled over in the middle of the night, and then we have to go fix it and kind of fix those relationships. With Cleo Managed Services, we get 24/7 coverage. We've got eyes on what's going on even when our developers, our support people are in bed. So we get informed when there's problems. A lot of problems get fixed on their own. But then we can take proactive action around things rather than waiting for our customer to complain. Our non-technical people can get in there and see kind of what's going on. This happened, this is why it happened, here's some suggestions for fixing it. So what excites me about supply chain orchestration is kind of having that single pane of glass, or that consolidated view of an entire process and where things are going right and where things are going wrong. Going forward, I'm very excited about the new onboarding process and being able to take supplier specs or partner specs or sample files and feed that into the AI engine and be able to create maps and really accelerate our time to market.